How to connect iPhone to HY300 Projector. Hi there! Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to connect your iPhone to the HY300 Projector in just a few simple steps. Whether you want to watch movies, show photos, or mirror your screen, this tutorial will help you get set up quickly and easily. Let's get started. Option 1. Wire the connection via HDMI. First, the most reliable way to connecting is using a Lightning to HDMI adapter. Here's what you need: an Apple Lightning to digital AV adapter, an HDMI cable, and of course, your HY300 projector. Step 1. Plug the adapter into your iPhone. Step 2. Connect the HDMI cable to the adapter. Step 3. Plug the other end of the HDMI cable into the HDMI port in your HY300 projector. Finally, turn on the projector and select the HDMI input source. Your iPhone screen should now be mirrored on the projector. Option 2. Wireless connection. If your HY300 models support wireless casting, or if you're using casting device, like a Chromecast, you can also connect wirelessly. Make sure both the iPhone and projector are on the same Wi-Fi network. Swipe down on your iPhone to open Control Center, then tap on Screen Mirroring. Select your HY300 projector from the list. That's it. Your screen is now shared wirelessly. Quick tip or alternative via USB. Some versions of the HY300 may also let you connect via USB to view photos or videos, but this doesn't support full screen mirroring. And that's it. That was a tutorial on how to connect your iPhone to the HY300 projector. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.